Cassie Love. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between stretching and making long-lasting changes to help your pelvic floor, your bathroom muscles get stronger, improve your spine mobility. Oftentimes what can happen is the shoulders can, hi, Cassie Love. I'm going to show you some more stuff that you can do, like tweakies, to get tension out of the body, and what the difference is between making long-lasting changes and just simply moving body parts. So the shoulders can displace. What it means by shoulder displace is that they come up like earrings. And ideally we keep the shoulders stable and move around so that we're getting tension out and we're not just sort of holding on to tension, keeping it up in the shoulder girdle area. The other thing is that the spine wants to move and do lots of stuff. Woo, woo. But ideally, we're going to stabilize the spine, we're going to stabilize the shoulders, and we're going to get tension out of the thoracic cavity up in behind your heart. Oftentimes people have a lot of tension there, and you can start to feel sort of hunched, and you can start to feel really uncomfortable in your body. So rather than keeping it there, we're going to get it out of there. Coming into table, I'm going to invite you to come down to your elbows and have the palms of the hands facing up and rotate your thumbs to press into the floor. So again, what typically happens is the shoulders become earrings. So the shoulders get displaced and slide up, and then the ribs drop and the pelvis comes out, and nothing is really happening. And even my hands are sort of going anywhere. So to create a long-lasting change, to create a tensile load in problem areas so that we can have a younger, sexier body, you're going to want to rotate the palms of the hands, get the hands, almost the back of the hands glued to the floor, reach the thumbs down, slide your shoulders stable. So for me, I have to actively press my shoulders down. For some people, they just need to be aware to keep the shoulders still. Hug the ribs in, so we're not doing a C curve, but we're going to keep the ribs in. So we're not going to let the stomach come out and the butt come up. So we keep the spine as stable as possible and lean back. As you lean back, press the chin down, reach the thumbs out, find a strong, steady pull, and breathe into it. Inhale back to neutral. Another cheat is that people's elbows come really wide. And again, you're just moving around pressure, moving around tension and stuff that we want to get out of the body. Tension in the upper body, when we're breathing, what can happen is when we're trying to fill our lungs, the shoulders will start to lift. We can start to create small little tears in the neck, creating maybe neck pain, as well as if we're trying to breathe and we have a lot of tension in the upper body, that pressure might start creating pressure on the bathroom muscles. So we might have like leaky pee and problems like that. So getting tension out of the upper body, long lasting changes, you're going to want to notice where your shoulders are when you're doing your stretches. Keep your shoulders in neutral, which means stabilize your shoulders. And then you'll start to create longer lasting changes rather than just sort of moving around body, especially if people have issues with your bathroom muscles. So you can breathe much easier and just basically feel younger and sexier. Cassie Love.